We've got some super exciting news today, guys. We've just got the keys to the all-new Amped headquarters. We're going to be expanding our current building and doubling the size of what we've got now. So we're going to do a series on the new HQ setup. We're going to take you all through and show you what we're going to be doing. And so this will be episode 1. But before we kick it off, why don't we show you the current warehouse, and then we'll head over next door and show you the new premises. So let's go. Come on in and see the existing showroom. For those of you who have been here before, you will already know how small this is and why we're making these moves. So this is our existing showroom. Naturally, when we moved in here, this was big enough, but now as the brand's growing, we've got so many new models and things, naturally we need a bigger space. So let's move into the main warehouse, which is where all our distribution happens. We've got all our Ace bikes here. We've got our packing bay, our tyres, moving into all our parts aisles. So naturally, for those of you who know us, know that we have one of the largest ranges of parts in Australia. So we've got every single part here for our bike range, right down to we've got kickstands, we've got motor wires, cassettes, cabling, forks, brakes, discs, blah blah blah, you name it, we've got it. So moving on, we have our workshop, and obviously this is our outstanding queue here. The boys are absolutely under the pump, but they're getting through it, no problems. Moving on, we have some of our trailers above there. This is our workshop. Excuse the mess, it's a bit untidy at the moment. I hope Liam is not watching this. Otherwise I'm going to be in trouble for coming down here. This is our studio, which has been taken over by the workshop boys. Naturally, another reason why we need to make a big move. So in the plans for the new building, we plan to put a whole new studio, like a podcast room and all that sort of stuff. So that should be pretty cool. This is the staff car park, as you can see. We might have to revive the crazy cart soon, I reckon. Moving on, we have Ace bikes here, Ace X Pluses, S Pros, which are nearly all sold out since they were only released a few weeks ago. We've got our pickup bay here for deliveries of new bikes waiting to be collected. We've got a bit of a staff lounge here with a nice outlook over our neighbours of MX store. Alright, let's head up and show you guys the office quickly. Oh, look who's just turned up. Who's this bloke, eh? Naturally, all the guys are next door pulling the racking off, which you'll see in a moment. But this is Madison. Say hi, Madison.
Hello, how are you?
Welcome to the YouTube.
Thank you.
Who's this bloke?
What is going on here?
Hey, mate, we're doing a bit of a warehouse tour.
Yeah? Got your hard drive full of all
sick.
that stuff that we filmed that one time, just you and me.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, sick. It's a bit tight in here, hence why we need to move.
Into another
Hey,
one.
look at this, hey, look at this. I think.
Is that real? No.
It's a money gun, mate. Yeah. Now let's put some real money in it, hey? Straight out the window.
Yeah, straight in my pocket, more like it.
Have you ever played Pick Up 52, Sean?
No. Pick up one.
This is what happens when you buy another brand of bike, guys. You're wasting money. But let's move on to Unit 2. which at the moment we've just kind of got a bit of an overflow of all our Ace bikes, Chubbies, some Surons and stuff down the back there, spare tyres and additional packing stuff down there. Moving on to Unit 1. So this is, I should have mentioned, this is Unit 1 of soon to be 5. So naturally we're doubling our premises to a total of 3,000 square metres will be the whole new complex. And yeah, five warehouses on that. So this is predominantly our RFN brand of motorcycles at the moment. We've got a little bit of a display here with the new Warriors. Another reason why we need a new showroom, because with this range we have no room at the moment. We've got a bit of a makeshift studio in the corner. The boys were just using this morning for some RFN Warrior repair maintenance videos and things. So let's go over next door to the new premises and show you. So the existing warehouses that we have now, we're going to turn into like our distribution, and then the new premises will be showroom, offices, studio, and more storage at the back. But so here we are, literally right next door at the new soon-to-be HQ. We've got 3 warehouses here. We're going to be occupying 1 and 2 to start with, and then 3 later on, early next year. So Unit 1 is where we intend the new showroom and offices to be, and then Unit 2 will be more storage for parts and things. And here we are. Welcome to the new showroom. I think, what's that sound? I think we might have just triggered the alarms. Oh, that's flashing, that's not good. We'll soon find out in a second. Yeah, here we go, guys. So this is the new... Oh, fuck! Oh, shit. We might have to delay this one. Okay, maybe I was joking. We don't have a new warehouse. We've been sprung, mate. Oh. I don't think the code's working. Oh, mate, it's giving me the wrong code. Just like that, we're back.
Oh shit, I think I told you.
Oh, that was stressful. We do actually have this place, I promise. We're not just breaking in. Yeah, so here we are, Unit 1. So we're kind of thinking we're gonna do a few alterations naturally, but we're thinking the new showroom's gonna fan around this side here, and maybe studio over this side. We'll have a bit of a staff kitchen, and then like a bit of a big office space for all the team. Let us know in the comments if you've got any good ideas. Let's go and check out some of the rooms, hey? But I think we're gonna like knock this wall out and that wall there and sort of like make a big sort of L-shaped showroom. Not sure yet, we'll see how we go with that one, but let's check out the next room, hey? This one's a bit of a dungeon. What do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sort of offices. Yeah, another office here as well. There's actually some nice cabinetry in there. It's going to be a shame to rip this out. Do you reckon this guy's come looking for the burglars? So then we got our kitchen and bathroom down here. She
Do
needs,
you have enough mirrors?
I think we need some more mirrors in this kitchen, hey? This is going to be Paul's new office.
Nice and spacious. No lights.
No lights. We're going to soundproof it as well. For those of you who don't know, Paul is the loudest person in the office, so he definitely needs a soundproof box. Yeah, this is where we're going to design all our future models.
With aircon.
We actually have aircon in here. How good is that? It's the small things in life, isn't it? All right, let's go to warehouse number 2. Over to warehouse number 2. Hopefully there's no alarms in this one. We got a little sweeper car. How cool's that? I could get used to this, hey? Alright, so this is warehouse 2, guys. The guys are already in here ripping down the existing racking. Don't worry about the OH&S going on over here, okay? Not wasting any time on ripping all of the old racking down. We've got all new pallet racking coming in to fill this whole warehouse, obviously. And I think once all of the old stuff's out, we're going to give it a lick of paint. Probably clean the floors and pressure wash the floors and stuff. Tidy it up a bit. We're thinking we're going to cut a hole in that wall there, so we kind of have a direct back door through to the existing warehouses for dispatch. But the plan is to probably get all our parts and everything on this side, and then just shelve all this for plenty more bikes. But yeah, I think that's about it, guys. So stay tuned for episode 2, where we'll give you a bit of an update on where we're at. But if you've got any wise ideas on what you'd like to see in the new Ant Brothers showroom or HQ, we'd love to hear it. But yeah, we'll see you in the next video.